We are given this fraction and we are asked to rationalize the denominator. Remember, to rationalize the denominator means to get rid of this radical. Now, since we have a binomial here, two terms, we are going to multiply our fraction, the denominator and the numerator, by the conjugate of the denominator. Remember, the conjugate of 3 minus radical 2 is 3 plus radical 2. So we are going to multiply the top and the bottom of our fraction by the conjugate, by that. So we are going to write 7 over 3 minus radical 2. Let me actually press this. So what is it? 3 minus radical 2 times, so 3 plus radical 2, and also on the top 3 plus radical 2. By this we are not changing our fraction because this is just 1. We are multiplying by 1. So to multiply those two fractions, we will multiply the numerators together and of course the denominators together. Now let's for now keep this numerator. And the reason I am keeping it is because after simplifying the denominator, it may be possible to get a number here that may cancel with 7. Now we have here a number times its conjugate. Let's see. So we have this formula, a minus b times a plus b, which is of course a squared minus b squared. Or we can distribute that and we will get that. Our a is 3, b is radical 3. So we are going to get 3 squared minus b, or radical 2 squared. So 7 times 3 plus radical 2 over 3 squares, of course, 9. And radical 2 squared is radical 2 times radical 2, which is actually radical 4 squared, radical 4, which is 2. So we get 7 times 3 plus radical 2 over 7. And see, not doing distribution at the beginning was a good idea because now we see we can cancel the 7. And of course, the answer will be just 3 plus radical 2, which in our case is E.